2, 1, live.
Cool.
It says live video is starting still.
Cool.
There you go. You are now live. You're live. Yep, I see it. Oh, Christian! I wonder if we can zoom in. Oh, Christian!
Let's not change it down.
I wonder if we can zoom in. Oh, Christian!
Somebody's watching us.
Yeah, it's Nick.
Well, there's 3 people.
It's me, Seth, and somebody else. Just take it. Oh, because that does have zoom in for the world.
I just don't know why.
Where are you live?
Facebook.
You have to go to the Logitech software and do that?
I might be able to do it from the tablet.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I don't like those. That's always.
Extreme close up.
You ready to put the pen?
Yeah.
Well, he took out the fan prior. We should have seen how dirty this laptop was.
This thing was bad.
It's a nice laptop for a kid.
I know it's a really nice laptop for a kid.
I think that's pretty cool. And it records it too, so I'll be able to upload this as a real video.
Sweet.
There's no safety in that.
Just get a Lightning McQueen card, just go wow.
Tech struck by lightning. Meow.
That's pretty cool. Thank you for being here for the day. My phone's all flipping out because I'm watching the live. It thinks it's open.
Oh, yeah. That's. That said, Queen cards go wham.
What?
I don't know, it was under the video. It said Queen cards go wham.
Wham.
We're supposed to fix it. We're supposed to fix something else.
No? It's just a fan, bro.
Oh, yeah, because it was the, no, I don't know.
The charger.
The charger. It's not working. It's not loading. Is your thing just infinitely loading?
Remember I told you that I have a super fine blonde hair on my soul pouch that like grows an inch long?
What's wrong?
I just discovered that it's bad.
This is a reminder. Check emails, Teams to-do list, support tickets, and call clients.
That's crazy, man.
This is a reminder. Check emails, Teams to-do list, support tickets, and call clients.
I just wanted to see the stream went more.
But actually,
I just wanted to be. These guys always do stuff without me here.
sorry.
It's because I'm here by myself.
Is it because your girlfriend gets off at 5 and you don't want to go back and be right back?
That too. No, I don't know. Just for dinner.
Oh. Am I invited?
I told you can do whatever you want. Well,
It's not even there. I just wanted some food, Nick. Goddamn.
yeah.
I didn't remember we used a test one.
Oh yeah.
I didn't display one.
You're just gonna borrow my charger then.
How many things at once? I might just open one up here. I don't know. Or use the display one and also.
Just use my charger. Or use that charger.
Type C.
I want us to be like one of those guys where people keep asking, "What's your face look like?" No, I'm gonna show our face.
What's your face?
Face reveal.
We gotta sign up to our OnlyFans for our face.
Oh, bro.
Oh, bro. Where we replace OnlyFans on computers.
All fan installs.
I demand that you do that now.
That'd be fucking hilarious.
You don't demand anything, you gotta subscribe. What are you talking about?
And then you can demand.
Man. Fix computers in my feet.
I fucking hate you.
Local OnlyFans. User goes.
Computers in my feet. And Nick.
That's how far it's lagging behind.
You think so?
That's from when the Alexa went off.
Yeah. I noticed. I don't know if he's 100% paying attention.
No, he is.
Huh? Nope. See? He just
Yeah.
admitted.
I don't care. It's either you do it or you don't. It doesn't matter. Whatever makes you feel better.
You make me feel worse.
No, I don't care. You either do it or you don't.
It's not like anybody's yelling at us about brochures.
How's the food meat?
Good.
You eating me? Do you eat?
Oh shit, Daedalus Teks, son.
It's upside down. Right?
Fuck that, get out of here.
It is upside down.
Yeah.
One day, we're gonna have like a bunch of people.
It just showed him moving the carnival. Fuck that.
There's just gonna be a billion people watching, and you're never gonna read the comments. I don't know if this actually works. What here? Try with this.
It ends up going viral because I showed someone's hand get skewered in the face.
Fixing OnlyFans. I don't know if that charger will turn it on though.
It's a 45, it'll turn it on.
It's the phone one.
The phone one should be 45. It's a fast charger. I believe fast charging is 45 watts.
Jake the dog and then the human. Did you go get the charger?
Yeah. Well, it's not like I have my charger anyways.
Starts on fire.
Christian, I don't think you screwed it down all the way.
You see yourself poking the laptop.
And nobody gets to see my face. You have to pay extra. There's mine. Oh yeah, my phone was there the whole time. Whatever. I don't think you screwed it down all the way because when made like the plastic sound.
What made the plastic sound?
Got it plastic.
Like you know when you push it in.
What you mean?
I don't get a charger person. Like you said. Hey look, Christian's right. Who would have guessed?
Not me.
I was gonna say we all called by our first letter of our names, but that doesn't work because that's a C and you're C.
Can you put that in for me?
$12.99 plus tax. Maybe the captions are reading the other way.
Why are you floating?
Huh?
Why are you floating?
I'm trying to take it out.